Two-time World Junior Champion Jaheel Hyde and the 2017 World Championship bronze medalist Ristanana Tracy were among the highlights at Saturday's 16th Camperdown Classics at the National Stadium. Jermaine Brown reports.
Having endured an inconsistent last 2 seasons, during which he failed to make Jamaica's Doha World Championship team and has once again switched training camps, Jaheel Hyde announced a semblance of a return to form. The two-time World Junior 400-meter hurdles champion clocked a personal best 46.47 seconds to win his heat and the overall men's 400 meters. He won ahead of World Championship mile relay medalist Terry Thomas, who was second in 47.40, and former World 100-meter champion Johan Blake, who was third in 48.24. Hyde, who is now training at the Swept Track Club, had a previous best of 46.66 over 400 meters set back in 2016. Incidentally, that was the last time he also ran a personal best for the 400-meter hurdles.
This year we're just paying a little more attention to detail and taking it one step at a time, getting stronger and better each week and still learning. So I think that this race today was just as a result of what we've been doing so far in training.
Meanwhile, a slimmer-looking Blake says it's a part of his new approach.
First and foremost, I have to give God thanks. I just finished running in Doha the other day and to start back training pretty late. I feel really good. I've been training really well. Me and Gregory and Mr. Ferran has been working assiduously for this 400, and I feel pretty good. And not going to lie, it's my first run in over a year over the 400, and just looking forward to some more.
2019 Boys Champs 100-meter winner Oblique Seville, formerly of Calabar, now at the Racers Track Club, was also impressive as he posted a personal best of 48.23 for second in his heat behind former World Youth 400-meter finalist Anthony Cox. At the 2017 World Championship 400-meter hurdles bronze medalist Ristanana Tracy clocked an encouraging 53.97 to win her heat and the overall women's 400 meters. She won ahead of Samantha James 54.55 and Dejanay Oakley 54.67. Tracy, who has also endured a challenging last 2 seasons, says she was pleased with her outing.
I am pleased in some aspects, being as I opened my season with 54I last season. So to come here and to actually open faster, I think that's a plus.
Meanwhile, a total of 10 records were broken at the 16th staging of the meet. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.